welcome back to part 2 of restoring my Trailblazer. Last video I made was us restoring the trim around the Trailblazer. If you guys have not watched the short about that, go ahead and watch that because I believe it's sick. But I finally got something new for the Trailblazer. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and I'll tell you guys the reason why. Gotta chuck it. Whew. And I'm so excited for this because I feel like this would definitely boost my interior up. And I'm gonna show you guys why after I unbox this. It's a new glove box center console lid, I believe. I got it off of Amazon. It's leather wrapped. Oh, this looks so good. All right, so the reason why I got a new one, guys, is because my old one that came with the car is let me move that out of the way. Basically, it's whooped, it's beat, it's in pieces, it's shattered, and it's about time that I upgrade with this simple, cheap upgrade. So, let's go ahead and get into the tool parts of what we need. Alright guys, these are the tools that you're going to need. First of all, you need a socket and some wrenches and an extension piece. That's what I got. And here is the socket. It's a 7 millimeter, and that exactly fits this right here. So let's go ahead and set up the camera so I can go ahead and film this. This to be the best angle I can get for this. So let's go ahead and get it. And then all of this, it's beat. And I'm so happy to get it replaced because I needed my center console, for goodness sake. I just been using, I dropped it, the lid of this just to cover. And also this metal piece keeps scraping the back of my arm, which is ridiculous. But let's go ahead and take this off. It wasn't as bad until like summertime hit and that sun really started soaking into the plastic and just tearing off. Oh my goodness. Whoever designed this is not terrible, but like the screws are kind of, maybe I'm supposed to take off this first. I'm assuming so. That's what I'm assuming. But that takes too much work. Not gonna lie to you. So we're gonna have Butt do it. And also I'm holding the camera with one arm, trying to catch this angle while trying to unscrew this. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, come on. Alright, let's work on this side. Luckily I don't have to take out this piece, this is what goes on. Also that looks like a death trap, just screws. And as you can see, it already bit into my interior, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna fix that. Or, you know, maybe I can, I don't know, we're gonna fix it, but like, it literally scraped into it, because I have no armrest, so. You guys are literally being held up by my tire shine bottle right now, so hopefully it stays. And now I can use 2 hands to get into it. And, yeah, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to take out this centerpiece, because I hope it doesn't become an issue later on. Start going a little wild with it. Hold on. Maybe if I can slide it. Yeah, there we go. And guys, if you do like this long form content, let me know. Of course, I'll be posting shorts and stuff to TikTok and YouTube. Almost done. Almost done. Come on. Alright, third screw is out. Let's go ahead and bring in that center console. Alright guys, for the sake of your sanity and mine, and make sure this video doesn't go too long, I did screw in one of them, and all you need to do is get those 2 bolts or 2 screws back into the hole. I would recommend you guys remove this center console inside so you can easily get into it, because it is very difficult trying to push this back while also not trying to, I guess, break it, you can say. So I should have got my Phillips head and pulled that out. Maybe I can using another tool, but I would have to run inside to go get it. But so far it looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and screw in the other 2 screws, and I'll see you guys when it's done. Alright guys, to save me the time and patience, I did unscrew these 2 Phillips head screws, but I had to use the back end of this, which actually worked really good for some reason. And I should be able to just, well, these what they look like. I'm gonna put this right here. I should just be able to pop it out. Yes. There's more screws. I don't think I'll be able to get those. I can switch this to the side. All right, let me go ahead and finish this up then. All right, guys, this has escalated far. So turns out there's 2 screws there, 2 screws there, and 2 screws down in the bottom. Don't mind the mess. But I can't, I'm trying to get this, and it has a little wobble, so I'm trying to figure out what the wobble is. But we're gonna go ahead and dive deeper. Let me go ahead and get these 2 screws out, and I'll see you after the update. All right, guys. I had to JB weld this because the part of that cracked, I guess from overuse or whatever, so I JB weld that, and now I'm about to put everything together and hopefully it holds together. I did not expect this to drag out so long. I thought I was just gonna simply change out the center console piece, but this is how it went. So let me go ahead and finish up and I'll show you guys the end result and hopefully it comes out good. All right, guys, let me turn off the fan here. After, I feel like forever, we finally got it on and it's finally okay. It does have a little bit of a gap because of where the plastic broke on that I JB welded, but it's holding together. It's working. I did have to modify this because this was broken, so I had to use a metal kind of latch holder, and then this pin is just like to just keep this piece from going underneath so it doesn't move. But it latches fine. It worked, and you know, I'm happy with it. I'm gonna take it. It does look good. I'm gonna get some cinematic shots as soon as I clean up all this mess. As you can see, I tore everything, used everything I can to try to repair this. It took me several freaking hours to do this. At one point I was thinking of drilling a hole and using a bracket piece to hold this, but I was like, I want to keep the interiors, you know, sane for the most part, you know, even though it got some scuffs and scratches. But it works. It looks really good with all the black in it. Next, I think I'm probably going to do the steering wheel and probably repaint this and get a different shift knob just to make it more modern feeling in here. But as you see, I did use JB Weld, and I'm just happy that it's done. So let's see some cinematics. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you want to see more, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.